Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a new Blender tutorial. My name is Mark Conrad and today I'm going to show you how to create a cube. So now I'm going to explain what a cube is. A cube is a four-sided thing, six-sided thing which is composed in geometry and is a 3D square. However, this is not important and I'm going to explain why. So to start off with, we're gonna open Blender, and for those who wonder, who's wondering, is Blender 2.83, and you don't want this cube because it's not made by you. So we press 2 times A and press delete. After this, you add a plane. However, this plane is wrong, and of course you extrude it. You press 1 in your numpad, and then you do this. You extrude it pressing E. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you got yourself a cube. Thank you everyone for joining me today. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel for newest tutorial.